This whole orange cake is so delicious and it makes a great gift. What you'll need to make it is butter, 2 whole oranges, plain yogurt or sour cream, sugar, baking powder, flour, 3 eggs, and vanilla. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using a springform pan today, but you could easily use cake pan. Spray your pan with pan release. A small piece of parchment or wax paper on the bottom helps the cake come out later. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of sugar, 3 whole eggs. I'm going to be mixing these with a hand mixer today, but you could certainly use a stand mixer as well. Beat these ingredients until they're very light yellow, fluffy, and a bit thick. In a separate bowl, add 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons baking powder. Mix those a bit, and we're going to gradually add them to the other mixture, slowly until well combined. Then to that mixture, we'll add 1/3 cup softened butter, 1/3 cup plain yogurt or again sour cream if you'd like, and mix those again until just combined, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix in just real quickly. And then we're going to set that aside and get out a food processor or a blender. Cut your orange into chunks and process real well. Add that processed entire orange to your cake batter and just fold in. You won't need to use a mixer for this part. Once you have it completely folded in, you'll go ahead and pour it into your cake pan and place in your oven for about 50 to 60 minutes or until a skewer or a toothpick come out clean. While that's baking, we're going to make the simple sugar glaze that you will pour over top of the warm cake. So add your other orange, squeezed into juice, with 1/3 cup sugar into the microwave. About 2 or 3 minutes until you get a thick, reduced syrup. Set that aside to cool a bit. Once your cake is finished and the skewer comes out clean, cool about 15 minutes, add the glaze, and enjoy or give it away as a gift.